directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain. Lost city, dead ahead, sir.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event.
I saw it! Wait, Mom, that's a scuba diver!
Steer 40 degrees.
Right, rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to
The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community. As we leave this long, shallow waters behind, it usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. The coral, an amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off and hold at 80 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you, son? Too deep for you to be to see. Come aboard, explorer. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Hey, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Where? EAC, dude! It'll be like, whoa! Like, whoa! Let's go! Follow me to the EAC!
Nemo! Oh, lost again! Nemo!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the current. All ahead standard.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Hey, Dad! I got Nemo!
Welcome to the EAC, Minnie Marlin!
This is fun! Grab chill, Nemo! We're gonna hit the downhill
Nemo! Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny! I'm a clownfish! Nemo!
Check it out! Wow! It's a big sunken butt! Sweet!
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who?
Don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once.
No, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons. Oh, that's it. Easy.
Swim away!
Secure all stations. System check.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory? Dory?
Wait,
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Something touched me!
It's me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anyone. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Oh, what's that? It looks like.
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink. Kind of.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Going.
Stop playing games.
Come on, it's fun. Going.
No, Dory. Invited to a party. Let's go.
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo. Nemo, I found you. I was so worried.
Hey, did you guys notice the erupting volcano?
We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo. Nemo? Nemo? Say something.
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some food. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo, check out the whale! This is a whale! That's real! And why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale! Sandy Plankton's never gonna believe this. Awesome.
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Why? Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? We swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey.
Shall I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. You better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
Station and manoeuvring watch. Rig ship for mooring.
Reducing speed and proceeding to berth 29er.